is it? What? First day of reduction, just look how you are dirty. You are. I thought you have something reasonable to say, that's why I called you. Yes, I have something reasonable to say, but honestly, you are too dirty. Me dirty? Yes. Can't you see? You're smelling like a pig. That's enough. Though I would because of that stay away from you. We are still friends. I said it's enough. I don't want to offend you. It is okay, but I'm only telling the truth, and it is good to tell people the truth. Hey, which one can you wait for?
Children. I have a very good question for you guys. Whosoever that can answer, I have a gift for you. Am I understood?
Yeah.
You guys ready for my question?
Yeah.
Okay. First question on my list. Who is the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? Mr. Ogbejile, tell me the answer.
Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Wow. A round of applause for her. That's good. Nice one. Okay, the second question on my list. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. In what year did Nigeria get independence? Okay. Nkechi?
1st October 1960.
Wow. A round of applause for her. Nice one. What is the capital of Nigeria? Oh yeah, Deborah, are you?
The capital of Nigeria is Abuja.
Wow, a round of applause for her. Nice one. That's very, very intelligent. The last question on my list is, who is the poorest man in the whole world?
Yes. Can't you see? You're smelling like a pig. Sir, I know it.
So, who is the poorest man in the whole world?
The most poorest man in the whole world is Mr. Donald, and the poor colleagues known to be Onowu of Africa. Also, few people know him to be Papa Essay. So therefore, he is Mr. Donald that is the poorest man in the whole world.
Applause for Vanessa. Wow.